Uh, so for the question 1, I use PHET to help identify the trends between a variable in Charles' law. So firstly, I have to add some gas particle in, pump it in, then I select the pressure as a constant, then I select pressure as a hold constant, the control variable, and then I click the width, the temperature in K is the independent variable, and the volume in V is the dependent variable. So next, I heat up the particles and record the data of the width of the container by screenshots. I use the width instead of the volume. I use the width instead of the volume because the length and the height of the container are constant. Then I use Excel to make a chart. As you can for the independent variable, I use 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, up to 400 as the temperature in K. According to the screenshot, when the temperature is 150, the width is 5, and when the temperature goes up to 400, it's 13.3. Then I've created a chart. As we can see, the trend is linear. The trend is linear, which demonstrates that when the pressure on a sample of a dry gas is held constant, the Kelvin's temperature and the volume will be in a direct proportion. This is known as Charles' law.